In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Now to continue, tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on Clean section. Now select Clean under Junk Files, and last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!